Part 2 of the flatbed. So I put the tire up against it, went ahead and used this little aluminum rod, the piece I had hanging down, put that in the center, marked it with the soapstone. A little coon-ass ingenuity. I figured how I'm gonna do this shit. You got a suggestion? You should comment below. Right here, I made a little mistake. I originally had a 3-inch C-channel right here. Had to notch it out, put some flat bore, put another piece of 3-inch C-channel here, so we got enough clearance all the way around the ball. I did weld the ball, but I also put the nut at the bottom. Got some safety wrenches. This was our template. That's what was cut out. And then to the bottom. When I took in consideration of the clearance, I made sure if I bottomed out, I would not go ahead and rub on the flatbed. So it's coming together. It's not the fastest project, but slow and steady. Stay tuned. Comment, subscribe. Let me know what I can do better. I'm still learning. Peace.